Hello, I'm Dr. Rothman of LASIK of Nevada. I wanted to answer a question today that I think is really important, which is how do I choose a LASIK provider? Well, I think the answer is kind of complex, but I want to try to break it down into simple parts. First of all, you want a surgeon who is highly experienced. Any surgeon can perform a simple procedure that has no complications. But what if there's a situation for you that's unique to you and requires special accommodation? That's where we really shine. I've been doing this procedure for 23 years. I've done over 60,000 procedures. And I've seen quite a few very interesting and unique situations. And to be honest, I'm glad I have the experience level I do to be able to help my patients through some of those more challenging situations. So experience is very important. I think technology is really important too, because without good technology, even the best surgeon is not going to get great results. One thing that I pride our practice on is being a leader in LASIK technology. We were the first in the state of Nevada to acquire several different types of laser technologies. In fact, in one case in particular, we were not the first, but rather the last to acquire a new technology, and that is the all-laser LASIK approach. Now, why did I wait to be the last one to acquire that technology? Well, the truth is, I thought the first generation or two really wasn't very good. And even though other doctors jumped on the bandwagon because it sounds pretty sexy, all laser LASIK, I just didn't think the technology was better than the older technology that I had been using for years. So it wasn't until 2009 that the technology reached a level where I thought it was actually significantly better than the older technique that I was using. And that has been a really dramatic change in our practice. We're the first practice in the state of Nevada to use this particular technology, and we have 3 of these lasers in our practice, and they are absolutely, in my opinion, the safest and most effective way to perform the procedure. So we talked about experience, which is very important. Technology is important. I think staff is really important. We take very great pride in the fact that our staff is just as excited about LASIK today as they were 15 years ago when some of them first started working with me. We take this very, very personally. We want you to get an excellent result, and we take pride in our work. We really care, and that's really what we do. We are specialists in providing LASIK, and we're really good at it. The other thing, and probably the most important thing, is social media. In the old days, the way you would choose a doctor or any other service is you would ask your friends, well, who did you go to? Well, today we don't have to do that as much because we can go online and take a look at, see what hundreds, if not thousands of people have said about various providers. I'm very proud of our social media reviews and our presence. We strive to make people happy. We do everything. In fact, I've done crazy things like taking a patient to London, England for a particular treatment that wasn't available in the United States, just to make sure she got a good result. So anyway, we prioritize our patients. You are the most important part of our practice. Technology is important, experience is important, and again, if you look at our social media, you'll get a sense of who we are. We are passionate about laser vision correction. It's what we specialize in, and we'd love for you to choose us as your laser vision correction provider. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact our office. Otherwise, I look forward to meeting you soon at your consultation. Thank you very much.